Hello friends. In our previous video, we did able to build remember me functionality, which allow user to remember the username and password when user close the browser and return the site again. What I mean, you see my username and password is here. So if I refresh, you can see it is still visible, okay? And I do not have to put my username and password to log into the system. So in this video, what we are going to do, we will go ahead and create a drop down menu here in the navbar. So then user can click on the navbar to see the item in the drop down menu. But that drop down menu items only will be visible to admin. So before we going to implement it, we will go ahead and check how far we have done our application since we started. Okay, so here you can see we have a home page right here. We did implement the product rating. You can see here we rate the product, right? And then here you can search product in our system. Also you can search product by category, you can see, and then here you can register right there. Then you can go ahead and log in. You can also see the password right there. You can hide it. So click on submit. So through here, you can add product. You can see we have already 2 items here. Let's add another item. So now you can see we have 3 items there. You can go ahead and view the items over here. You can add, remove items from the cart. You can create an order request. So friends, you can see this is the order detail page, right? Here you can edit customer information where you want to deliver the item, okay? And then you can see we have the list of the product right there and the total over here. To place the order, just click on it. Now you do see we routed to our Stripe payment gateway. So here you can see the total orders and the list of the product with the quantity. You can see over here, you see the price right there. And then put your email over here and then put your card number. Just click on pay, the payment process right there, and you can see we do have our successful payment process page right there. From here we can go to our home page again, and here you can see the order number we just placed 1068. So if you want to shop more, you can click on over here right there. So here whatever we ordered, as a user I can go and check my order history right there. So here you can see that order list. Okay, so here you can see the list. You can go make it like 100, and you see there will be 100 item in this list. And here you can also have, if you have more item, you can use pagination over here. From here you can sort. Let's say you only want to see Jack Robinson, so you just type here Jack, and then you can see everything is sorted over here, right? You can also sort by price right there. Here you can check how many pending orders is there, in process order, then how many shipped order. Here you can see with the order status. You can click on all. If you want to print this list, you can click on print and you can print from that button. Okay. So, and you can also view this as a PDF. Let's say click on PDF, this list download as a PDF. Okay. Then here we also build a dashboard right there. You can see total orders was 8, and then there are total order shipped. You can see the weekly sales day data here, and then the most popular items, and then the buyer list. Okay, so here we have a category, and from here you can create category right there, and then you can go back, you can edit, you can delete also a category. From product, you can create product right there. You can choose like multiple picture at the same time, right? And you can add it. Okay. So, you can also select a category of the product. Okay, and then you can click on create it to add it to your product. So you go back here. You can also edit your product also. Let's say you click on this, right? You have the picture, home picture over here, and you can edit from here and click on edit. Go back, and let's say if you open this one, and you can see you can change home picture, and also you can change the picture from the body also. Okay, then if you go back again and if you click delete, it will give you alert and then asking you if you really want to delete this item. So this is so far what we have built. We also build one more thing over here. I forgot to tell you. You can go to any order, right? Let's say this is the pending order. if you go to see the order details right there, you can update the status. So here you can put the carrier information and then you click on update, right? Once you click on update, what it will do, it will send email to user also, and then user will receive an email saying that your order has been updated. So here you also can cancel the order, right? You can click on that and you see it is asking for if you really want to cancel the order or not. Then click on OK. And here you also can see the payment status and then the order status over here. So this is so far what we have built, right? If you haven't seen all this video, so please go back to my playlist and start from the first video. So friends, let's go ahead and create a drop down menu here and add this item to our menu item. So to do that, I will use Bootstrap 5. So let's go to Bootstrap 5, okay? Or just type Bootstrap drop down and you can see here Bootstrap 5 drop down Bootstrap 5. So we are using Bootstrap 5 in our .NET application. So let me show you how would you figure out which version you are using in your application. So if you go here, go to library, go to Bootstrap, and then here, then come and click on bootstrap.js. It will show you the version. It said 5.1. Okay, so now we are here. You can change your version. You can go back to 4, go back to 5.02, but we will use 5.1. Okay, so let's go to drop down here. You can see drop down link. You can copy this, go to your Visual Studio. Here is the layout page we will open. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our layout page. Okay, so here you can see view, come, share, click on layout page. In our layout page, you can see this list, right? So this is for our home button. So I'll create a enter here. Let's paste this code here. Okay, now you can see if I make it a small and go to our browser again, make it a small, just save it and do refresh. Now you can see we have a link over here, right? You can see the link is right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy all these and put it inside of that. Okay, so what it means, these are the item would be available in this drop down, in this drop down menu, in this drop down menu. Okay, so I'm just copying this and then pasting over here. Okay, so I did paste the link. Let's go ahead and check it, save it here, do refresh, and you can see all the items are available in our drop down link. Okay, so if I click on category, it will route to our category page. You do see it. If I click on dashboard, it will route to our dashboard page. Okay, delete this all the way up to here. We don't need them. Click on save again, refresh. Now you do not see those, right? You only see this drop down link and the other link are not there. So here what we also need to do, we need to hide this item from regular user. So to do that, I will do one thing. I will use the if condition here. If user dot is in role equal admin, then we will show this drop down. Okay, I'll go and copy this as X and then paste it here. Now if user is not admin, they will not able to see our drop down. Change this to management and not btn. I'll have it as a nav link. Okay, click save. Let's see what happened here. Now we do have as a link. Okay, if you want to make it white, you can do it right there. You can type here text white, and then here you can type strong, make it save, do refresh. Now you can see our drop down is here. Okay, let me make it bigger. So let me go ahead and log out and log in as a user. Log out, let's log in. Let me see customer test one sign in. So I signed in here as a customer. Now I do not see that drop down menu here, but I want to see my order history as a customer. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll go ahead, copy our order history link and paste it outside. Okay, this should not be drop down item or anything. Just remove this. This text should be also white, and then click on save again. So here what we have to do, this copy this, okay, paste it here, and then here you have to type nav min. Now save, make this text as strong. Type strong and then copy the text. Paste it here, save it. Now make it bigger, refresh. So now you can see the order history as a user, but not able to see the menu icon. Let's go log out again, log in back, log as admin here, submit. So friends, here you can see we have item now. Now if I click on inventory, but we do not have an inventory page. So in our next page, what we're going to do, we will go ahead and create an inventory controller and do CRUD operation on inventory. And we also have to adjust our inventory when user purchase item from our site. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Please do share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.